diamond painting nerd, welcome to another unboxing. These I'll try that again with the correct words. These have been sent over to me from the guys over at Outdoor Tide. I love everything that I've had from them so far, and these are a couple of animal themed ones, so I kind of went down the animal themed route when I picked these ones. So first of all, I've got a little one here, and I'm gifting this to my friend. I asked her what animal she wanted. She gave me a list of which raccoons were not even on the list, but I saw this and I thought it was super cute, and yeah, so I thought I would pick this up for her to do. It should be a nice quick one. It's only a 30 by 30. Let me just give it a little roll back on itself to help it lay flat, and then we will see we'll see how cute this is. So these are a pair of, I call them raccoons. I hope I got that right. I think they're raccoons. And they're just really super cute. She prefers the smaller paintings as well, so this was perfect for her. This is what I like to do. I like to share out with my PR packages. There's no way in a million years I would ever get all of these projects done. So when I'm looking to showcase things, I'll also look to see if I can find things for friends and family that diamond paint as well, so I can share the love with them. You do get the standard toolkit, which is standard in most kits, and then all of these drills are already pre-bagged, which is always my favourite when they come in these little Ziploc bags with the numbers on. There are 20 colours, which is amazing for a 30 by 30, not even a 20 by 20. So the glue on that, I don't know if you guys can actually tell, but that is super sticky. So that is a sign of a good glue being used. So yeah, I hope she likes what I've chosen for her to do. I'm really sorry if you can hear tip taps in the background. That is my dog having a little donder around, but I haven't. She wants her dinner, I think, but hubby's going to be home late from work, and so they will get it on time, but I just can't be picking up. I can't keep bending over to pick the dogs up, so I can't do anything with her. I just have to let her donder for the minute. Anyway, the second one that I chose was, if I can get in. Right, let's get rid of the Russells. Yep. And let's get into this one. Now, one of my favourite animals are giraffes. And so when I saw this one, and I thought this one was going to be really lovely as a kind of I've lost the words again, what comes after winter? Spring. I thought this would be a really lovely one to do in spring, because it's got the sunflowers, and it's got like Mr. Giraffe up here. Oh, I just love it. And so yeah, I picked this one. It's a 40 by 40. I'm sorry I didn't measure the size of the other one. I'm not sure. I think it's probably going to be 25 by 25, that one. So this one here itself is 39. Hang on, let me just straighten it out. I think I'm being unfair. 40. It is 40 by 40, I think, by the looks of things. So 40, just shy, 39 and a half. We'll let him have it. So yeah, this one is 40 by 40. This one does include ABs, because I can tell. Oh no, I've broken my little thingy, have I? Oh no, I need a new one. Can't live without my retractable thingy-majiggy. Oh, it's fine, I'll leave it. Anyway, you get the standard toolkit in here, which is a tray with a spout. You get a pen with 2 multi-placers and a single placer, a large pad of wax, and also some tweezers. And then here are the drills, and I'm going to get them out because there are ABs. There are 35 colours in this one. So let's take a look. Oops, let's take a look and see which ones are ABs in this painting. I'm going to pull it back. The plastic cover is always quite thin on these ones. The glue's nice and sticky, so no issue with that. The plastic cover on this is very thin. So what I'll probably do is I'll take the full cover off, and then I'll just use covered papers on it. So I'm not dealing with the flimsy plastic. The thing, it is a budget friendly kit, and so I love the fact that you can get somewhere in the middle in terms of a decent quality painting on a canvas, not on cardstock or paper. It's on canvas, it's on a thinner canvas, so you're going to expect that with how much you're paying for it. But the fact that you get things like ABs and stuff now included, it's a really good I think it's really good value for what you get from a budget friendly company. So let's take a look at where the ABs or what ABs we get. So that is 1, 2, 3. These are standard drills. Those look to be standard. 4. I think the most I've had is 8. So 5. 6. 7. Okay, so it looks to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different ABs in this one. Oh goodness me, there's a lot of 310 black. Nearly 5,000 drills of 310, which actually isn't, I'll get my words out in a minute, which actually isn't too much of a problem, because I'm doing as a conversion thing that I started, and I don't have enough 310 black square, surprisingly, without going and opening. I've got some spares that I bought like ages ago from Art Dot, like 1,000 of each, but I don't particularly want to have to go digging through that box to find the bag of 310. So hopefully there's more than I need here to be able to kind of pinch a few of these to finish the other painting. But yeah, 35 colours in this one. Did I say 35? There are 35 colours. So we've got 939 as an AB. We've got 996, one of my favourite colours, as an AB. 3844 as an AB. And then we have 919. This is quite a common AB, like a brown. Like 938, like the darker brown's quite common as an AB. 444, very common as an AB. That beautiful yellow, where is that going? So that's going to be, okay, so all of this background, or most of this background, is where this yellow AB is going. This is going to be stunning. So we've got 742 as well. Where's that going to go? That's J's. Oh, okay, so we've got some J's in the, okay, so yeah, we've got some J's in the Giraffe by the looks of things. So we've got this yellow, which is going to be a lot of this background, and actually some of it down into the sunflowers as well. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. So yeah, all the way up here. And then we've got 938. I reckon this is probably going to be in the Giraffe again. R. Yeah, I think I just saw an R. Did I see an R? Yeah, just I can see a few along here. There's a few up in the ear. Okay, and then 939, number 20. So that is going to be H. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be in the Giraffe as well. So yeah, this Giraffe, and then also the background's going to be a lot. Oh, and this is H down here as well. So this is going to be very, very sparkly, I think. And then 18 is 6. So I can see a few 6s here and here. So these 6s are actually in the sunflowers, in this brown part of the sunflowers, round here, round here, round here. This is going to look amazing. And then 14 is J. So that's J. Oh, we've looked at J. So that's in the sunflowers around here. And then I think, yeah, it's all the way up round here as well. So where there's a lot of kind of that yellowy orange, not a lot of it, because there's not a huge amount. There's 289 drills in here, but this is going to be a lot of fun. Where do these blues go? 32. U. That's into the, okay, so this is kind of like the blue shading that's coming in. I love how, because it's kind of like got like a splatterworks effect with like paint splotches. And so it's kind of got like a blue shadowing on the giraffe's face, and that's where that blue's coming in. And that's going to be in ABs. So 32 is U. So yeah, it's in here. There's also a lot in this drip from this over here. And then 23 is 2. So that is also going to be, yeah, there's some 2s in here as well. There's also some 2s. There's no 2s over here. There are some U's over here. So some of this is going to be AB over here as well. But the 2s tend to be, or seem to be, kind of, there's the odd 1 here. There's 2 here. There's not a lot of 2s, but they just appear... Yeah, they've just got like random bits here and there is where the 2s are. So this one should be a lot of fun to do. So thank you so much to Outdoor Tide for sending over these. I've loved the quality of the stuff so far. I question whether these are resin drills and not acrylic, because the quality on these are incredible. The backs are so flat. I've had no issues with these. You get the occasional hitchhiker, although I haven't actually seen any hitchhikers in these today so far. But the quality of the drills on these, these have got divots in the back. So this is what I mean. So I don't know if it's certain ones or certain manufacturer, you know, where they get these from. I don't know. But like looking at the backs of some of these, they are just super flat. So I'll have to have a look on their website to actually see what they state. But if I was asked whether these were resin or acrylic, I would 100% say that they are resin because of how flat they are, completely flat. But having said that, looking at a different pack, and then I can see divots on the back, I'm like, I don't know. It could be a mixture of both. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to stop babbling on. Thank you so much for joining me today for the unboxing of Mr. Giraffe. And the unboxing of Mr. and Mrs. Or Mrs. and Mrs. or Mr. and Mr. or they and they. I'm trying to be inclusive here. But 2 raccoons that are in love. I think they're raccoons. That's going to be gifted to my... That's going to be gifted to my friend. So I hope she likes that as well. So thank you very much for joining me for today's unboxing, guys. As always, I would really appreciate if you give the video a thumbs up. Just hit that thumbs up button down below. Drop me any comments in the comment section also. And I will see you all in my next video. See you soon. Bye. Oh, sorry about that. Bye, guys.